Boring Company has some news. Elon hasn't forgot about that one. The Boring Company just raised $675 million at a $5.675 billion valuation. How about having a company that we didn't even talk about or hear about in a long time, and then just a casual $5.675 billion valuation means that Elon Musk has created 3 separate multi-billion-dollar companies and $1 trillion company in the last 20 years. And then Pomp on Twitter goes on to say GOAT in all caps, and he also goes on to include the GOAT emoji in case you didn't see, in case you were confused by the first word GOAT. You can see the visual representation of a physical goat
emoji,
an actual goat.
I just think it's crazy. Elon Musk, 3 separate multi-billion-dollar companies, and $1 trillion company.
Well, if he gets the Twitter deal done, then add another one in there.
Yeah, that's really impressive.
I guess he didn't start it, but he would also own it at that point. Tesla, $1+ trillion valuation. SpaceX, $100+ billion valuation. PayPal. Oh, these are the companies he's founded. $100+ billion valuation. Boring Company, $5.6 billion valuation. Solar City, $2.6 billion valuation. Neuralink, $1 billion. Neuralink's already $1 billion?
Yeah, and they're all future tech companies.
Yeah.
Like, there's so much potential in all of them.
Growth stocks.
Yes.
Go ahead, Mo.
Yeah, they're all growth stocks.
Go ahead, Mo.
Well, he doesn't. Does he still own PayPal? Or sorry, does he still have shares in? It's all sold.
Go ahead, Mo.
Yeah, I just found this really.
You were about to break into an entire financial analyst break dance right here.
Yeah, that was me actually.
Do a couple spins. Anyway, yeah, Boring Company. They want to end. They're looking to hire people too. Now they got this. They're flush with cash. They just raised a bunch more money. They're looking to hire people that want to end world traffic, which is definitely a thing that's universally hated. So it's an ambitious goal, but it is one that most people have some degree of experience with, and it's a problem that most people wouldn't mind solving. So that would be a cool job to have.
Yeah.
Good luck to all the applicants. I can't wait for tunnels everywhere. That'd be great. It still seems really hard to me, but I guess like all this stuff, this entire list seems hard.
Yeah. All the stuff he's doing is hard.
It's all just hard stuff. It's all just, and then he's like, let me solve freedom of speech on Twitter and by spending $50 billion.
That one's the craziest.
Like, okay, cool.
Good luck, Elon.